Hi everybody, Nick Portillo here with Portillo Sales and Marketing. Today I'm going to show you to make the best acai bowl using Sambazon Acai and Nature's Path Hemp Plus Granola. So if you're trying to attract more millennial customers into your establishment, you're gonna love this. First, let's grab the following from your kitchen. 1 banana, a few strawberries, a handful of blueberries, a bottle of honey, and the most important ingredients of all, the Sambazon Scoopable Acai and Nature's Path Hemp Plus Granola. Using the Sambazon Acai as your base, sprinkle on a generous amount of the Nature's Path Granola. Add our fresh fruits. Finally, top it off with a drizzle of honey. Whew, that's amazing. If you want more information on how you can purchase Sambazon Scoopable Acai and Nature's Path Hemp Plus Granola through your preferred distributor, please contact us at Portillo Sales and Marketing. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.